Kwaitulashkor adi blog by Khobja, Purabari, West, Lakshmi Sorani, Warmabad, English Academy, Rwngnok, Thangnai, Jibri Shalmariwo, Nobar Wati Kotor, Banggodriwo, Baimano, Sabai Krubi, Klan Tanzarbakya, Rwngnok, Hostel, Habanok, Baimano, Sabai Shukrubi, Tin Rok Kobri, Klan Tanzarbakya. Abno Tangthanibo, Yapri Baraka, School Committee, Amtin Lukurau, TIPRA Mothani, Adongrok, Palpal Krayi, Mupang Kat, Dr. Bankar Layi, Kotal Ketang Chenglakia. Azagaw Yagbaks Angakya, TIPRA Mothani, Shen Kragrok, Sadan Salona, Tang Chibden Bagi Pantong Lakia. Tangi Manzadekya, Regional Chairman Bromgrang Bishu Debruma, Kwai District, Working President Bromgrang Titi Debruma, Block Vice President Bromgrang Shubal Singh Debruma, TWF Central Vice President Bromgrang Zek Binamala Debruma, Block President Bromgrang Zek Rima Debruma, YTF District Secretary Bromgrang Shumal Debruma, District Organizing Secretary Bromgrang Utpal Debruma, YTF Block Vice President Shikha Betling Debruma, Kobe Monitoring Chairman Vice Chairman Te Kubun Adongrok.
English medium school thanai 15 din motong thana o school na khatar koria horo bankundi thimani bagoi bai tin rok jotono uri bai serai rok tongani jaga kuri unglai honi bisingo na kuri tung klai tung horo na khobor khana ka haikano khana bo tung khaimaniya oboni bisingo chini sar borok tomoni kuri hasteni khai chini TIPRA sabu sarangno English ni develop mani bagoi jottono musungo khawo tai bojono suba mani hai chini TIPRA sarangno te chini TIPRA sa area o borok tini nijini jaga hai kai chini serai rongni bagoi usuk khakwar khai usuk school kaham phurungmani kaham jotto jagano samani nongmani bongni experience ba bongni je advice serai rongno emon bagai borok khlaio tabo kaham nukjago ngakai oboni bisingo ro tini chubanani phelika school committee tongo tai serai rongni parents body borok already jotono tongo parents bini buma bukhasang rok jottoni no serai rongni parents ro uro phai chini TIPRA Motha bai baksano borobo chungbai baksa samung tangoi tini chini sasono kisa chubawi thanglayo kha tongmani bising tui chungbai herang pisari meya chung phani oi chini yak bai thambai sak bai thambai chungoro phai jotono kisa misa samung khlai tebo chung tini nok pai maniya o nok pai me ano chung next stop phai chungobo khlai damano ya chung khlai na sinang na yabo chini wan chuk mani khabo tam kai tini sini katro kija share khalai mania painan phansi maya katro kija tabu biar nang mani jora wa biar kat biar oba hai jago chung klai tung tawon biar sohar biar ga abun bagai chung tini Rwngnok no chung pailai mania next to chung bodino de tilai nai chung je katro ma kan kai chung already odino no pai khanani khasong lai tung tini jotto bororong norok khajak borongni parents bodino hambai chuno receive ka hamgai khlakja tini principal sir chuno ne forman dikha chuno thandaro khanika chuno samung rok charika bo chuno jotto no bini ni jini hathi thawa songwi tini chuno jotto no receive khlaimani pai khlai hambai atharu tini principal sir no hambai jotto no
sir hingke norok tini o je school no tambagi norok Swnamna rikha
actually chungmo thanai kisu din ni sikang je cyclone no borok belai ni affected ungkha bong nogrok horkutu gono bong nogrok uri bithangka 8 ba koni 9 rok boni thanai kisu din ni sikang o jara wono bong nok uri thamani pore chung borok no nai ni kha borasuk haksal ni Manipur hasteni Nagaland hasteni ingui phayai chinta phani borok no je English horab baitei o pora bai chung pari wai tebo jahate chin borok competitive thangmani aba hei borong wansuk mung tei chini do parono tebo English ngwa tikja karena ni bangai borok wansuk mai bisiti English medium school borok khlogi tumo o jaga bisi ba kawai to khabara engkai amai jungjalni bisinga pano je amni sai bisita bisinni sikang bongni nukung gori witha kabai keno o jara borok kono chuba chumalia tei thanai kisu din sikang ungka bahaino haipan chung borno rang puisa usuk chubai man chubai mi aw to borok ko ge haipan chung borno hari chung sak bai mang bai kai logiri lai bongni nok tangkhani chung chuba lai ni tini chung chuba lai ni phaika ani mangai jaga phaiman ta phaika chini jotto TWF ni adongjuk chong tei chini TIPRA Motha district ni working president tei chini jaga chini existing committee ni members tei jaga chini zonal sub zonal tei jotto YTF TIPRA Motha jotto miliwai tei monitoring ni chairman ro tongo gai jotto palbak sakai chung kok chap lai tini jaga je bongni nok tangnani no chung chuba lai kya gai buskami kisudin ni bisingo chung no pai denai kisa kadok ni kesep ni bangai mantu jana bangai watu kisaro onek dinu mitha bangai kadok mantu jana mitha gai chung abro joto arrangement ke te salse thane bisingo chung abno complete khai nai umon chini bor chini do phano so ke chubai to ke chung chin do phane ngai borno kisa chubana hinai chung sakbe mang be ke thale kya abon chini naharmong
ke mo haike norok chuba oi tamula mane nok tamni naharmong nahare norok chubai to
moto lab mane to chung lab no chini busa butei o am chini chini charai khonai je lekha pora wa onek tolawak lai tungmani je bangla medium ke chung churu limited TIPRA te Kolkata English medium chung juri parikhai enter state and country outside the country chung thangyak nai English kok thai bai chung communication themano nungkuno ekta Bangalore ba kuno ekta city o thangyak nai nungkuno ekta factory ba kuno ekta industry o thangai je kuno ekta temporary part time hepan nungo English kok thai me kai o competitor bo thangyak semia ngani tabun nai train hindi ni flight ni jakun jaga joto English kok thai be mang sija ko ja thangai chung onek deprive untang chung onek tolok lai thango gauni bangane bro English no prungnai hene English medium je hato ja klogi tung bro je warma bat English academy hinai go jaga phayak nai chung boni hamari ba boni phol chung kham mangkha result chini bisi buri kawayak nai chung kawai chung chini o school ni hete boroni je competitive je ngoni wa Johla Nobodai Vidyalaya borok dohori tongo bisibri no thangai tongo bisibo khoroni kai taklai ba result taklai ba poito khayo te khoroni khisawan hinai gabai keno chung boni kaham frongmani ba quality education abai ke borok riwai tongmani chung nogoi mano awni hamari bo chung nogoi tongo gabai jagao chung judi chubai angkai chini generation ba chini charai rok tabu je surunge phene rok ni bangai je borok sacrifice khai tongo chung boron chubanani nichai dorkar awni mai chung boron chubana bangai jotan ya pisalai phali
ke tini dabuni o jorao norok tang YouTube channel ni bising timo haike je media rok ko bogi norok phunga nang
na mo YouTube channel ba news channel ro chung je upload khai ba ja publish khemani ingkai umono je chungma haike ni chini param se ro tebo ko mo jaga abaya ko te ko ni haste ni phaya kne front tong phayo abahai rok bo jate encourage manani te borok hai borok no bo chini chubachu ba chini am chini borok ba chini borok abai chubanan bangai khak war ngai te ba go ge phene ni bangai chung abo ekta publish ke ba kaisa encourage kaisa kok pirmong te chin bubar ga saman tong je nor param che hindi jekon school hindi jekon hindi kahamni samgon sab samay yap disoi chubana phajing bus ga goi phari ga kok no kok thai no chubatu ni je message non chung enter state enter ngoromi chini first day wa ba chin different thani wa o kok tunno kusong na bangai chung yap disalai publish kinani bad dongo
dabu to dabu no jorao chung to nugui tong dabu kobang ma borok political mileage mana bagi mo haike samuro khlai mano gota ke norok political mileage mana bagi samu khlai
chung political ni kono yap disai asikani chini naharmung chin different no ba chini chukya borok no chubana mangai bahut lokho borok no rang puisa ni bisingtoi sak mang ni bisingtoi blood donation ni bisingtoi biti barai ni bisingtoi boy rimani bisingtoi kumang bisingtoi chubai phe chung political phayam busung khaba chungko bisisa chi kaya ko political phayani abon sai sekan heten chin naharmu chukya borok nangai tongnai borok kangai tongnai borok no chung supungani bangai abon chin naharmu abon bisingtoi chung je manchak je chuksak chung abai kene chubai tung
kai mo thaini bo mungki sagari
Motha ingkai Pochim Lokisara edisi village ni andar klaijak birbaho purabari hinjago o parawa borok prai 5 bosor doria school khologi tung
sinimong sande
ane sinimong kai bisi deparma pai district zonal ni chairman
it was date 17 that this month the cyclone took away, so on that day I feel so sad. I can't express how my feelings, but today really I feel very good those who are coming, especially that Khoi channel, that Sir Bishu de Burma, and sub channel, and all the parties, the TIPRA Motha, and DWS, and I can mention all the village panchayat and vice chairman, secretary, and different places from local society, those who are coming and helping. I really give thanks to all. It is my special thanks that on behalf of the school committee and myself. Just I have no credits, means I have nothing to say, but I want to say that thank you to all through this YouTube channel. Why? It is not a words that if anyone say by word this is nothing, but today you really show your deeds by helping hands. Many of them come and help, and today we construct this foundation. Today we got from the trees itself, we just dig it everything today, and this much big foundation we stand today. So I feel very good, and especially this type of culture I really appreciate. With you all, I feel very good, and this is not helping only to me, but this is helping to your children. We expect more this type of culture to practice on and on. I just want to encourage to everyone, not only me, but many of us from Manipur, Nagaland, from Mizoram, different places coming to Tripura, and we established a school English medium. But so far, sometimes we face a big difficulties. So in this type of obstacle, you just come and helping. It is a very good culture. I want you to keep practice going on this one. And just most of them I heard from Pupak, that's Tansa. This is one kind of Tansa. It's a good result for Tansa. If my parents alone, then we can't do this much. But by coming you all, together we are making this. For this, I want to give thanks to everyone. Okay, thank you.